Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and these funky looking little glasses here are called Orbi, and they are essentially for those of you that want to capture video. It captures 360 degrees video. As you can see, there are 4 cameras. There's one next to each eye and one at the back on each of the mounts as well. It also has 2 microphones in the front which captures audio, and the battery life is about an hour and a half, and this is expected to launch for about $600 in the summer. And it isn't really very heavy, so I've actually removed my glasses and I'm just gonna put on these and just show it to you as to what it looks like. So that is essentially what it looks like. It looks like a really cool pair of glasses. They aren't heavy at all. When I put them on and I wear them right here, they don't feel heavy at all. It feels quite comfortable. I think I look pretty cool as well. And I could simply just tap a button here and start recording, tap a button and stop recording as well. So if you're someone that's into sports or you want to actually capture everything that's going on around you, or just walk through an event like CES in 360 degrees without mounting a GoPro on your shoulder or a head mount, and just simply record things from the exact perspective of your eyes, these seem like a great solution. So there you have it, guys. That was a quick look at Orbi, pair of glasses that can record. Each camera records in 1080p, giving you 4K video once it's stitched together on the app. And maybe, you look cool as well doing it. For more from CES 2018, you can stay tuned to Digit.in. We will catch you in another video. It's stylishly goodbye for now.